Hello friends, this is Alexey. If by any chance you're in Stuttgart today, you can find me at the Electric and Hybrid Vehicle Technology Expo. I will be happy to meet with you there. Feel free to get in touch with me via LinkedIn. And now let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Along with the rapid growth of the battery electric vehicles across the world, hydrogen-powered fuel cell electric vehicles are on the same path to decarbonize many modes of modern transportation. Since the energy system becomes more reliant on renewables, hydrogen will play a very important role in the generation and storage of green power. Through its technological innovations for automotive, IT, and renewable energy applications, Lippert Semiconductor aims to move humanity forward to the better and greener future. Lippert Semiconductor strives to provide the most reliable solutions for power electronics engineers across the spectrum of industries and applications. That is why Lippert Semiconductor introduced to the market its latest F0 series hybrid power modules. F0 series are 1200-volt hybrid power modules with press-fit terminals which integrate high-performance IGBT chips and silicon carbide diodes. F0 series hybrid power modules are specifically designed for solar inverters, UPS systems, fuel cell DC-DC converters, and energy storage systems. Magnachip Semiconductor announced that the company has unveiled a new 650-volt insulated gate bipolar transistor for solar inverters. As environmental impacts from climate change are becoming more severe, the use of renewable energy like solar power continues to expand globally to reduce carbon emissions. AMDIA, a global market research firm, estimates that the global market for IGBTs in the renewable energy sector will grow 15% annually from 2022 to 2025. In March 2022, Magnachip developed a new 650-volt IGBT built with advanced field-stop trench technology for fast switching speed and high breakdown voltages, and the company will begin mass production of it this month. Panjit Semiconductor introduced two new bridge rectifiers. This new package has the latest structure with excellent heat dissipation due to its thermal design. It has optimal bridge diodes for applications which require large current and high power operation. TYSiC, developer and manufacturer of silicon carbide epitaxial wafers, made registration changes with the China's Industrial and Commercial Administration, adding BYD as a new shareholder. The company's registered capital increased to about 100 million yuan, an increase of 2.58%. Previously, Shenzhen Hubbell Technology Investment Partnership, an affiliated company of Huawei, also invested in the company. TYSiC was established in January 2009. Its business scope includes the R&D, production, and sales of silicon carbide epitaxial wafers, semiconductor materials, and related devices. Innoscience, a company founded to make the global energy ecosystem greener and more sustainable using high-performance, low-cost gallium nitride and silicon power solutions, has expanded its European office with a new R&D center in Leuven, Belgium. The company aims to attract the best talent to execute its ambitious technology roadmap and become the undisputed leader in gallium nitride power solutions. The newly established R&D center in Europe will play an important role in improving Innoscience's core gallium nitride device technology and products, both in terms of performance and reliability, helping the company remain at the forefront of future GaN-based technology innovation. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.